Electromagnetic radiation (EMR) are the radiations where the electric and magnetic field vary simultaneously and which generally comprises of X-rays, gamma rays and visible light. They are generally emitted from electrically charged particles and are a major source of radiation from mobile phones and cell tower antennas. EMR poses as a prominent health hazard on birds, humans, other animals, plants and environment. Sparrows, pigeons, parrots and swans are some of the birds highly affected by these radiations. These impending effects are not lesser than any form of environmental pollution. When birds come in contact with radio frequency waves, they clutter and fly every which way, which hurt their regular navigational capacities. Various outcomes of these radiations led to neural damage, locomotory defect, endangering reproductive capacities in birds. Identification of the recurrence span of non-ionizing electromagnetic fields causing harm on environment would develop procedures for relief and would empower the best possible utilization of wireless devices to appreciate its monstrous advantages while assuring one's well-being and that of the Earth. Hence, it is crucial that stricter radiation standards must be authorized by the legislators. A couple of investigations on negative outcomes of such radiations on birds, human well-being, and environment have been examined, and inventive proposals for remediation proposed. It was seen that radio frequency waves destroy the Earth's magnetic field which the birds utilize for their navigation, while short-time exposure to electromagnetic fields causes them to disorient and fly in different directions. Millions of birds die every year due to the harmful radiation from cell tower. With the ability to fly comes a greater probability of direct irradiation by non-ionizing radiation. The effect of non-ionizing radiation on birds is, therefore, of environmental significance too. Most biological effects of exposure to non-ionizing radiation in avian species are a result of radiation-induced temperature increases. 3. The incubating avian egg provides a model to study non-thermal effects of microwave exposure, since ambient incubation temperature can be adjusted to compensate for absorbed thermal energy. 4. Some studies have shown that exposure to non-thermal levels of non-ionizing radiation affect a bird's ability to recover from acute physiological stressors. 5. Although earlier research indicated that modulated radiofrequency radiation increased calcium ion efflux in chick for brain tissue, criticism of experimental techniques and contradictory results between related studies have made final conclusions elusive. 6. Birds have been shown to be able to reliably detect magnetic fields in both the field and laboratory. Some researchers have reported malformations in chicken embryos exposed to a sinusoidal bipolar oscillating magnetic field.